BMW gears up for new leadership. Amid massive product overhaul, BMW is preparing for a significant transition at the top, with Milan Nedeljkovic set to replace Oliver Zips as CEO on May 14, 2026. The move, though anticipated given BMW's internal age guidelines for executives, comes as the company simultaneously launches an unprecedented wave of new models. Executive shift and corporate succession, the change in leadership isn't a sudden disruption, but a planned handover. BMW typically expects its board members to retire around age 60, but made exceptions for both Zips, who will be 62 when he steps down, and his successor Nedeljkovic, already 56. This demonstrates the company's commitment to stability while ensuring fresh perspectives at the helm. Product Blitz. New Class and beyond. The timing coincides with a major product offensive dubbed New Class, which Zips initiated. By late 2027, BMW plans to release 40 updated or entirely new vehicles. This includes a revamped 8th generation 3 Series and the all-electric i3 sedan launching next year, followed by the 5th Gen X5 in 2026, available for the first time as a battery electric option, alongside a hydrogen fuel cell version developed with Toyota, set for 2028. Expanding lineup. From luxury to entry-level EVs, BMW isn't stopping there. The 7 Series will receive a facelift in 2026, and the X4 is slated for a comeback as the fully electric iX4. The company also absorbed Alpina in 2022, setting a new direction for the niche mark with a return of the Alpina 7 Series and a new X7. Beyond these, BMW reportedly has at least 3 additional models planned before 2030. A rugged SUV to compete with the Mercedes G-Class and Land Rover Defender, and 2 entry-level EVs, a hatchback, potentially called the i1, and a sedan rumored to be the i2. The iX4, iX5, iX6, iX7, and even an i3 touring wagon are also in the pipeline. Streamlining and future focus, not all models will survive. The polarizing iX is unlikely to be renewed given the planned expansion of larger electric SUVs, and the XM may face discontinuation due to sluggish sales. These decisions reflect BMW's focus on streamlining its portfolio and prioritizing high-demand vehicles. Challenges ahead: emissions, competition, and global markets. Nedeljkovic steps into a demanding role. He will need to navigate tightening European emissions regulations and rising competition, particularly from Chinese automakers. Despite these hurdles, Zips's tenure saw BMW consistently outperform Mercedes and Audi in luxury sales since 2019, even through the pandemic. The groundwork he laid ensures a solid foundation for the next chapter. BMW's future hinges on successfully executing its ambitious product strategy, while adapting to an increasingly competitive and regulated automotive landscape. The transition at the top is not just a leadership change, but a pivotal moment in the company's evolution.